Hi, I'm Rishabh. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Facebook Business Manager verified. There are many advantages if you verify your Facebook Business Manager. Most businesses usually verify it when they want to set up the WhatsApp Business API. So why is Facebook Business Manager verification needed for the WhatsApp Business API? First, it allowed to set up a display name, so your brand name will appear instead of a phone number on the WhatsApp. Second benefit you will get is once your Facebook Business Manager is verified, you can get a higher messaging limit for the WhatsApp Business API, which means you can send messages to more customers per day. Now let's talk about the requirement. The requirements for the Facebook Business verification are very simple. You mainly need two things. First, a government issued business registration document. This could be something like GST certificate, or MSME certificate, or any other business registration certificate. Second requirement is an active website for your business. Once you have these ready, you can easily submit your business verification under Facebook Business Manager. So now let's get started. To get our Facebook Business Manager verified, we need to go to the Facebook Business Manager. So search for Facebook for Business in Google. Here, click on the first link, which is business.facebook.com. I'll share the link in description as well. Click on this link. Here, click on the settings in the bottom left sidebar, which is this. Here, scroll down and click on this Security Center tab here. You'll arrive to this page and you can start a verification by clicking on this button. In few cases, the start verification button is not visible here also from the Security Center tab. So what you can do is you can create an app in developer.facebook.com. So go to the developer.facebook.com, developers.facebook.com, click on the My App. Here you just need to create an app. Click on Create App. The steps are pretty self-explanatory. You can easily create an app by filling out this simple form. After creating an app here, you just have to come to the Security Center tab and refresh the page. And you'll see that Start Verification button here. Now, if everything is okay and you are able to see this Start Verification button, yes, select the Setting up WhatsApp Business Account. Click on the Start Verification button. Click on Get Started. Select your country. Now select your business type. Let's say I'm selecting this. Next. Registered. Next. Now you will need to enter your company registration number. In this section, you can use any valid business ID that you have. In India, it accepts GST, MSME Udyam, PAN, CIN, LLPIN. Even if you only have one of these, such as MSME Udyam number, you can use that. The goal is simply to provide a verified business identifier so Meta can match your business detail correctly. Click Next. Add the exact address which is mentioned in that legal document. Click Next. Here you need to provide your contact information and active website link. After putting that, click Next. In some cases, Meta will automatically find your business based on the registration number and address you enter from your legal document. If that happens, you'll see your business listed on this screen. Just select the correct one along with the right business details and contact number, because a verification code will be sent to that number. In our case, Meta didn't find that business detail, so we need to upload the legal document manually. Here you choose your verification method. Generally, email is recommended. Here for now, I'm selecting text message. Next. Right. So I'm uploading this Udyam. Upload. Click next. Okay, so you'll receive an OTP on this number. Click next. Click next. Our information has been submitted successfully and the business verification is now under review. It can take up to 2 days for Meta to verify your business, though in most cases it gets approved within 3 to 4 hours. Once your business is verified, your display name will automatically appear on WhatsApp and your daily messaging limit will increase. So it's in review. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.